Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is December 13 and we're starting from euro-dollar pair with tin low. The decrease in the volume of short positions on the EURUSD pair eventually pushed the pair to the level of 1.0800. There are no crucial changes at this time, and the movement fits within the structure of the corrective trend. On the 4-hour chart, if we look at the RSI Relative Strength Index, we can see initial signs of an increase in the volume of long positions on the euro, as the RSI upwardly crossed the 50-meter line. Meanwhile, the alligator's MAs are intervened in the 4-hour chart, indicating a slowdown in the corrective trend. In this situation, traders consider the bullish scenario as part of a recovery phase in case the price settles above the 1.0800. The bearish scenario considers the possibility of extending the corrective phase if the price stays below 1.0750 level. The complex indicator analysis points to an upward signal in the short-term and intraday periods. Let's trade with the MACD indicator line. Jakub Novak would help us with GBPUSD currency pair. For long positions, buy pound when the quote hits 1.2563 and take profit at the price of 1.2605. Growth will occur only after strong GDP data for the UK. When buying, ensure that the MACD line lies above zero, or just starting to rise from it. Pound can also be bought after 2 consecutive price tests of 1.2541, but the MACD line should be in the oversold area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.2563 and 1.2605. For short positions, sell pound when the quote reaches 1.2541 and take profit at the price of 1.2499. Pressure will return in the case of weak statistics from the UK and an unsuccessful attempt to consolidate around the local daily high. When selling, ensure that the MACD line lies below zero or drops down from it. Pound can also be sold after 2 consecutive price tests of 1.2563. But the MACD line should be in the overbought area this time, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.2541 and 1.2499. Here is Laurie Bailey with USDJPY currency pair forecast. Let's have a look. Under general market pressure, the Japanese yen strengthened by 68 pips yesterday, breaking through the support level at 145.08 with the lower shadow. Tonight, the Federal Reserve will announce its decision on monetary policy, which we anticipate will be soft enough to support the dollar's weakness. We expect the price at the nearest support at 143.90. Further, the price could move towards 142.70 and 141.23. And we anticipate a deep correction from the level of 140.35. as it intersects with the embedded line of the global price channel, marked in blue. On the 4-hour chart, the price has returned below the MACD indicator line and has settled below it. Accordingly, the previous break above this level was a false signal. The Marlin oscillator is in a positive territory, so consolidating below 145.08 can bring it back to the downtrend territory. Consolidation above 146.24 will disrupt the main scenario, open up the target resistance at 148.35. Gold, sweet gold. We've got a trading plan for this commodity asset presented by Petar Yekimowicz. Gold has been trading downside in the background, and we found potential for the further downside continuation. Due to the selling pressure and the negative reversals on the RSI oscillator, Petar sees potential for the further drop towards lower references. Downside objectives are set at the price of 1967 and 1955. RSI is showing negative reversals, which is good sign for the further downside movement. Resistance is at the price of 1990. That's all for today. See you online soon and good luck.